Hey guys, in this video we're diving into the top 5 best CB radios available on the market today. Whether you're a trucker, off-road enthusiast, or just someone who needs reliable communication, we've got you covered. We'll break down the features, performance, and value of each of these CB radios to help you make the right choice. You can find links to all the products in the description below. So let's get started. Starting off our list at number 5, we have the Cobra 75 all-road wireless CB radio. This is a unique and modern take on the classic CB radio, designed specifically for off-road enthusiasts and professionals who value portability and wireless functionality. The standout feature here is its modular design. This two-piece system allows you to mount the transceiver anywhere in your vehicle, while keeping the handset easily accessible. The built-in Bluetooth connectivity is another game changer, letting you pair the device with wireless headsets or the optional all-road PTT button for hands-free use. Plus, its waterproof IP66 rating means it's built to handle tough weather conditions. In terms of performance, the Cobra 75 All-Road excels with its digital signal processing (DSP) for noise cancellation, ensuring crystal clear communication. The dual-mode AM/FM support expands your communication options, and it operates across the full 40 CB channels, with a maximum talking range of around 5 miles. The ability to power the device via USB or a 12V port adds versatility, especially for those constantly on the move. However, it's worth noting that the price is currently unavailable, which might make it harder to assess its overall value. This radio is ideal for off-roaders, RV owners, or anyone who needs a rugged, compact solution. While it's packed with modern features, the Cobra 75 All-Road may not be the best choice for those who prefer a more traditional setup. The pros include its wireless design, DSP noise cancellation, and weatherproofing, while the cons are its relatively low maximum range and the lack of current pricing information. Overall, it's a solid choice for adventurers who value innovation over tradition. At number 4, we've got the Uniden PRO505XL 40-channel CB radio, an excellent budget option for those who want reliable communication without breaking the bank. This compact and affordable CB radio is perfect for beginners or occasional users. It features a 40-channel operation, dynamic squelch control for cleaner sound, and an instant Channel 9 emergency button for quick access to emergency services. The orange backlit LCD display is easy to read day or night, showing channel, volume, and signal strength. Despite its low price, Uniden has packed in all the essentials for a dependable CB radio experience. In terms of design, the PRO505XL is lightweight and compact, making it a great choice for smaller vehicles or limited dashboard space. Its durable construction ensures it can handle daily wear and tear, though it lacks water resistance. So you'll want to keep it indoors or in dry conditions. Performance-wise, it offers a decent talking range of up to 20 miles under ideal conditions, which is more than enough for most casual users. Setup is straightforward, and while it doesn't include an antenna, it's compatible with most CB antennas available on the market. The Uniden PRO505XL is a great pick for truckers, RV owners, or hobbyists on a budget. Its pros include affordability, compact design, and easy-to-use controls. On the downside, the lack of advanced features like NOAA weather alerts or noise-canceling technology might be a deal-breaker for some. Overall, if you're looking for a simple, no-frill CB radio to get the job done, this is the one for you. Coming in at number 3 is the Cobra HHRT50 Road Trip CB radio. This is a handheld CB radio that offers incredible portability without sacrificing functionality. It comes with a magnetic mount antenna that can be placed on your vehicle's roof for improved signal reception. The sound tracker system is a standout feature, reducing noise by up to 90% for clearer communication. With access to all 40 CB channels and NOAA weather alerts, this is a versatile choice for road trips, emergencies, and casual use alike. The design is compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry around or use inside your vehicle. The omnidirectional microphone is another highlight, allowing clear voice pickup from all directions. While the talking range is capped at about 4 miles, this is still sufficient for most scenarios, especially with the external antenna. Keep in mind that the HHRT50 requires 9 AA batteries, which can add to the cost over time unless you opt for rechargeable ones. This radio is perfect for travelers, outdoor enthusiasts, or anyone who values mobility. Its pros include portability, the Sound Tracker noise reduction system, and NOAA weather alerts. However, its reliance on batteries and slightly limited range may be drawbacks for some users. At just under $90, the Cobra HHRT50 strikes a nice balance between price and performance, making it a great mid-range option. At number 2, we have the Cobra 29NW AM/FM Classic Professional CB Radio. This is a feature-packed device that combines classic design with modern enhancements. Its night watch illumination display is perfect for nighttime driving, and the dual-mode AM/FM capability ensures versatile communication options. With 40 channels, instant access to Emergency Channel 9, and a built-in SWR meter for antenna calibration, this CB radio is a reliable choice for professionals and enthusiasts alike. The design is robust and intuitive, with ergonomic controls and a 9-foot microphone cable that provides excellent flexibility in your vehicle. The SWR calibration feature helps optimize antenna performance, ensuring you get the best possible signal. While the maximum talking range isn't specified, its adjustable RF gain allows you to fine-tune reception for clearer communication. The night watch display is a real highlight, making it easy to read settings in low-light conditions. This radio is ideal for truckers, long-haul drivers, or anyone who needs a dependable and user-friendly CB radio. The pros include its night watch display, dual AM/FM functionality, and SWR calibration, while the cons are its slightly bulky size and the lack of modern features like Bluetooth. At just under $120, the Cobra 29NW offers excellent value for its features and reliability. And finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the Cobra 29LX AM Professional CB Radio. This premium CB radio is packed with features that cater to both casual users and professionals. The standout features include NOAA weather channels with emergency alerts, a selectable 4-color LCD display, and an auto-scan function that simplifies channel selection. It also includes diagnostic tools like a radio check function and antenna matching to ensure optimal performance. The design is sleek and professional, with a large, easy-to-read display that can be customized to 4 different colors. This is perfect for reducing eye strain during long drives. The build quality is exceptional, and the added weight gives it a sturdy, durable feel. Performance-wise, this radio excels with clear audio quality and a reliable talking range, making it a great choice for truckers, RV drivers, and off-road enthusiasts. Its emergency functionality and NOAA alerts make it a lifesaver in critical situations. Priced at $159.99, the Cobra 29LX is on the higher end of the spectrum, but its robust feature set and premium quality justify the cost. The pros include its weather alert system, customizable LCD display, and advanced diagnostic tools, while the cons are its higher price and slightly larger size. If you're looking for the best of the best, the Cobra 29LX is the ultimate CB radio to keep you connected and informed on the road. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this video helped you find the perfect CB radio for your needs. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more in-depth reviews. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments, and I'll be happy to help. See you in the next video.